Here's how to register Firebolt smartwatch warranty. First is on the box of your Firebolt smartwatch, you will be able to see there a card warranty. All you need to do is to scan the QR or visit the website under the QR code. Once you visit the website or once you scan the QR code, you will be redirected to www.firebolt.com where you will see there all the warranty policies. So what you need to do is to scroll down until you see there the smartwatch and you will see there the warranty period it has. So as you can see for the main device, it has 12 months and for the accessory, it only has 3 months. On the same website, you will be able to create an account there as well. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the home options that you can see, and then afterwards you will be able to see there the login options. Well, once you can click on the login options, you can now go ahead and register your Firebolt. All you need to do is to put on the serial number of your smartwatch.